dove. What's going on, folks? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Duck Gun Chronicles. Real quick, before we jump into the video, I just wanted to jump in and give you guys the lowdown on what the video is for today. So this is a video I filmed last year. I didn't have time to edit it and get it posted, just with all the waterfowl stuff coming down the pipeline. You guys know how it gets in September with early goose and teal and dove and all that. And so ended up not getting this one edited, just in favor of getting the duck and goose stuff rolling earlier. So here we are. Next year, I really wanted to get this one out to you guys. It's a really special one for me. I actually took my nephew, first hunt that he really was on, where we shot the gun, got some birds falling. So definitely a perfect one for introduction of a new guy to it, and you know, something that's near and dear to my heart. I think it's imperative that we teach the youth, especially the ones in our family. So first really family member of the young ones coming up that was somebody I could take, so definitely glad about that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. There we go, we got one. Hey, good boy, buddy. Holy cow. Got one.
Where'd the bullet go?
Oh, boy. Ah, Mr. Chief, here. Here. What a way to start. There's a whole bunch. You see him? Chief. Sit down. Sit down. Wait some more time, okay? Heel, Chief. Heel. Give. 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 Chief. Let go. Big rose batters.
Got him!
Come on, Chief. Right here. Heel. Sit. Sit. Give. Chief. Give. No. Sit. Give.
Wow, that's a good one. People do it a lot. Does it have a tag?
Yeah, there we go.
What?
No bands. That's a big one, ain't it?
Bullet. Oh, they're shooting a bullet.
All right, well, we just got a couple. We've got a few, so definitely excited. Starting off good. What do you think, Levi?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, so there they are. He's especially excited about the big white pigeons. So, only thing now, I've got to keep Chief from breaking the story of this season. So hopefully I can get it done here soon. But it's getting annoying, so. You see one? All right, go grab it. Yeah, yep. Go ahead and sit down, and we'll keep rolling. So, all right, not going too bad, but hopefully we get a few more and finish strong. Stay.
Oh, you got one.
They might come back around. Heel. Heel. Chief, heel. Sit down with that. Heel. Sit.
Oh,
Sit. Chief. Sit. Give. Give. Let go. Give. Give, Chief. Give.
Wow.
Stay.
Shot him in the eye.
Stay, Chief. Heel. All right. Well, we got 4 in the bag. Right, Levi?
Yeah.
And what are you excited about? The doves or the pigeons?
The dog.
And what are you looking for on their legs?
Band.
So we got to get bands and more doves, is what he told me. So we're gonna give it we're gonna give it a go, right? So how much longer are we gonna stay? How much longer do you hope we stay?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. You don't know. So I don't know either. But we got birds landing. They're just landing the other side of the field. So I don't know if I'm just in the wrong spot or what. But I would like to get at least 1 or 2 more. So
There's dogs that landed over there, but they're too far.
oh, it don't scare me like that, buddy. Look where?
It just landed.
Alright, well I'm gonna put this down because it looks like some birds are moving, but I'm not wearing my contacts. Bad choice.
They're actually doves. They're white.
They're what? They're white?
Yeah, they were.
Okay. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little while. Them to get right here. Oh, look right above us. Oh, I missed him. Oh, he's coming back around. He's coming back around.
Claws feel like they don't feel too sharp.
No, just enough to probably like rip up the dirt and find food in there.
Or get a fish.
Well, these ones don't get fish.
Yeah, but an eagle does.
Alrighty, folks. I think this one's a wrap. What'd we end with, Levi? How many?
How much?
How many birds did we get?
We got 5 birds.
5. We just ended with one more dove. Shot it, landed down there, and I walked over to it. It stayed there long enough that I could go over there and pop it. So, jumped it up and shot it on the go there. So, getting some of my confidence back after missing a whole bunch. And Chief didn't break, so definitely some positives there. But I think that's all we got for today. What do you think, Levi? You gonna do this again sometime?
Yeah, great. We got 5. That's a good number to eat of meat.
Yeah. So
I don't like meat.
you're gonna like hunting meat, I hope. We'll work on it. All
I
right.
said I don't like hunting meat.
Whoa. Can we work on it though? You think we can work on it?
Work on what?
And if we make it really good, maybe you'll like it. Maybe.
Just tell me.
What
Don't
about
tell it in there.
what about sugar? If we had a bunch of sugar on it.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Don't tell it in there.
We can put some chicken nuggets. We'll make the dove into chicken nuggets. Dove nuggets.
No.
What? It's just the same as chicken. All right. We're gonna work on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm Jordan, Duck Gun Chronicles, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.